It's on fire. It's on fire. It's on fire.
Where?
Right behind the driver's seat.
Is it? I
See? That's why I said that's not good, because I seen the smoke coming out the side, and that's not normal.
Jesse! Jesse! Jesse!
It just popped. It blew out.
Oh no, you broke your toy.
Jesse, come!